Hello viewers, in this video I'll show you how to fix Instagram Liquid Glass UI update not showing problem, or how to get ad Instagram Liquid Glass UI update not showing problem solved. Step 1. Long press or long tap in Instagram application. Go to apps info or I button. Click on storage. Again click on clear data. Tap on clear cache data. Go back. Open Play Store or Apps Store. Click on search. Search Instagram app. Update your Instagram application latest version. Step 4. Restart your device and again open it. You can follow all 3 steps to fix Instagram Liquid Glass UI update not showing problem or missing problem solved.